I can't lose when I'm with you.
What's going on, family? It's your girl Francesca. Let me stop. I'm such in a happy mood. I've been in a more happier mood lately. I don't know why. I think it's because, I've been praying lately. I've been taking some time to myself. So I feel a little better about life itself. If you don't know who I am, my name is Francesca. I'm a single mom of 4 beautiful babies. They're babies, literally. 5, 2.5, 1.5, and a 6-month-old. She just turned 6 months. Hey, my baby's getting bigger. All right, so welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making breakfast for the girls. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my breakfast for my little ones. The girls are settled right now. Nova and Halo, they're in the living room watching TV, and then they're watching Home right now, and then Isabella and Phoenix, they're in their room right behind that door, and they're watching their own little, toddler TV. So baby's TV in the living room, toddler TV in the room. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna be making the girls pancakes. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making. Right now I'm currently pumping. I'm still trying to hold on. Halo she's on formula right now. She uses Neosure. This is for a premature baby. She was premature. She was born at 34 weeks. Yeah. She's born at 34 weeks. So she's on Neosure. I got her Neosure because my pumping, I've had like some postpartum depression issues going on. Issues. Like it's a fucking issue. Postpartum depression is a real thing. Okay? So I've been going through postpartum depression. I've come to realize that a couple weeks ago that I am depressed. So that's what I'm saying. Like I've been feeling good lately. I've been, happy mood, happy life. I've been doing pretty good. Life has been lifing, but I've been doing pretty good. I haven't been pumping like that. So the last week I bought Pump Princess, of course, prenatal. I bought some lactation cookies. These are really good. They taste like regular cookies. So if you're trying to bump that breast milk up, take what I'm taking. It's been helping. And on top of that, you have to pump every 3 hours and at least do 1 power pump a day. So that's my tip for anyone that is trying to increase their breast milk. Hey, listen, that's what I'm doing. It's working for me. Let it work for you. So let me tell you a little bit more. It was not planned, but let me tell you. So if you don't do good with pills, that's okay. They have lactation tea. I also have lactation tea. This tea right here, mother's milk, really good. It works wonders. So when I wasn't taking the pills, I was using the tea, but I said, you know what? Let me try something different. So mother's milk is really good. Got that on Amazon. Pump Princess, or Princess Pump, however you say it. That's really good. I got that at Target, but they also have it on Amazon. They have everything on Amazon. You already know. Amazon, even groceries, okay? Also, you have to stay hydrated. Let me show you one more thing. Body Armor will keep you hydrated, but you don't just drink this. I drink this. I have coconut water, and then I drink regular water as well. So you're literally drinking water throughout the whole day. You want to add some flavor? Drink some coconut water. I add the coconut water with this in my little, cup right here. So I add everything. Boom, coconut water, Body Armor. I drink at least 2 of those a day. You can just drink coconut water and regular water, you're Gucci. But as long as you're staying hydrated, that's going to increase your breast milk. But most importantly is that you have to stay on top of the pumping. So I bought me, a portable pump because I have kids. I can't just sit down, hold my pumps and pump. I can't do that. So make sure that, my advice to you mommies out there that are trying to pump and increase your breast milk, just, get yourself portable pumps if you do have kids. If you don't have kids, that's okay. I didn't have my portable pumps once upon a time, okay? My pump is sitting right there. In the box. As long as you're pumping, and also power pump. Power pump 1 to 2 times a day. That's pumping for 1 hour, 20 minutes. No, I think it's 15 minutes. So you pump for 15 minutes. Don't pump for 10. Pump for 10. Don't pump for 10. Pump for 10. Don't pump for 10. So that's a whole hour of pumping right there. Okay, so that's gonna trigger your body that, you know, supply on demand, meaning we need more milk. We need more milk. That's gonna help you increase your breast milk. So we're gonna make breakfast this morning. All right, the girls are hungry. I'm hungry. Let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we're lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own.
Isabella's gonna have turkey bacon with fruit. She is the autistic one. She's very picky, and I hear my kid. All right, my kid. This is what makes the morning hard for me. Okay, it's when I'm cooking and I gotta do stuff. They go in and start yap. Now let me stop. They start, you know, crying because they want attention. Maybe they're hungry. Maybe she wants a bottle. Who knows? But right now, she cries a little more. Right now, she's teething. So I'm like, yeah, she's. You hear her? Anyway, let's go to the air fryer real quick before we do anything. So I have Isabella's turkey bacon right here. So like I was saying, she's autistic. Yeah. I have a piece of sausage in here for Phoenix. I just had it in there. Alright, so we're gonna do turkey bacon. Good, they looking good. Give that a minute. There we go. The baby is hungry. Let's go say hi. Let me make her a quick bottle. Right now, the baby's hungry. She had what, 4 ounces in there? That's 2 scoops. Come on, let's go say hi to the baby. Go say hi to the baby. Whoa, girls. Hi. Hi, Halo. Hi, Mama's baby. My baby's 6 months now. Baby holds her own bottle. Well, she's trying.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper.
Cooking with mommy, cooking with mommy, cooking with mommy, cooking with mommy. Let me stop.
Smile. Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for my.
Yummy. You're not happy? Let me kiss. Come, Bella. Spoon? Fork? Okay, now what are you gonna eat? Have your food.
Mommy.
Welcome, baby.
Hey, a little tiger. Don't be afraid of
my babies. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my baby. Hi. All right. We was about to leave. We was about to go bye-bye. All right, now it's time for mommy to make her breakfast. Let's clean this mother up and let's make my breakfast.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I'm the only adult in the house. I'm the only one that drinks coffee. It's only right to have a single coffee, like a single cup maker. Does that make any sense? I'm Spanish. I'm Puerto Rican. My English is para el piso. My Spanish is even bad too. Like, yo, I'm so ruined. Because my first language was Spanish, and then when I came to the United States, I was about 7, so I learned English, right? So I had to learn English to communicate, you know, with people and in school. So I speak Spanish at home, English outside of the house, and I feel like it just kind of messed me up. I need to brush up on my Spanish, and I need to brush up on my English too. I fucked up. I'm crazy. All right. Baby's tired. She's tired. Let me go give her a patsy. I'll be right back. You gotta make sure my thing has water in order to have some coffee. And that's how the cookie crumbles.
But I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't.
Oh my god. Ain't that like a corn griddle? Put some eggs, seasoned eggs, some American cheese, peppers. Peppers give it that crunch, you know? You gotta be a vegetable person to put peppers in your eggs, that shit. That just all good, baby. Excuse me. And then we gotta some coffee. Warms my soul. And that right there was breakfast with Mama 4. Hey, Mama 4. Hey. The baby had her bottle, so it ain't like she ain't eat. I gave her her bottle. Y'all saw when she started crying and stuff. Give her her bottle. Let's before y'all go, let's go check on the kids. Come on. Let's go check on the kids. Hello. Hi, beautiful baby. Oh, somebody's excited. All right. So what did you do here? You had one pancake. You had most of your fruits. You had most of your. Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Isabella ate most of her food. Actually, all of her food. I left the crackers. Not bad. Mommy gonna get you juice. You want juice?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Nova, you want juice? Halo fell asleep. Yeah, I got to eat a peaceful breakfast. She loves home. Now what does she eat over here? I had to give her one of these because all she did was just eat her fruits. Breakfast was successful, guys. Family. Breakfast was successful. All right, let me give these girls their juice. Bella already came for her juice. This is for Nova and for Phoenix. It's 11:30. So I took a little while making breakfast. You know, I was recording, but it's okay. The girls had their food. Mommy is about to sit down and eat her food. It feels good as a mother to see your kids eat their food. Okay? Isabella was not eating her food when she was younger because I didn't know she was autistic. I didn't know. But she had a texture issue, like a sensory issue with food. And I didn't know. I'm a new mom. Like, what the hell? Like, why is she not eating? I think after she turned 1, that's when everything started to change. She said, Mama, she used to talk, like, you know, baby talk and stuff. All of that just stopped. I was like, what the hell? What happened? So I got her evaluated, and little behold, she was autistic. You know, just a learning disability, and she communicates non-verbal and verbally. Trust me, she gonna tell you what she wants. She wants some cookies, she gonna tell you she wants some cookies. She wants some chips, she gonna tell you she wants some chips. All right, like she communicates just enough to get what she wants. Okay, for whatever she needs. She want to brush her teeth, She want to use the potty, pee pee. Like, it's just enough. Okay, but Phoenix, on the other hand, yep. She would talk your ear off. All right, Nova's getting there too. As you can see, she was dancing. Hey, she was grooving. That's my baby. All right, so they all my babies. I love 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 my babies. All right, guys, I'm about to sit down, enjoy my breakfast before it gets cold. Come on now, y'all holding me up. I gotta eat my breakfast. I'm gonna see you on my next video. All right, peace.